Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo and I'm here today with the ThinkPad T470. Today we are going to be replacing the removable battery. This process will take about 5 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. There are no tools required to do this. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we are protected against electrostatic discharge or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For further information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. Now we're going to remove the removable battery. To do this, we just need to slide the switch marked with a 1 to the unlocked position, and then hold the switch marked with a 2 to the unlocked position. Slide the battery out of the bay and remove it. Now we're going to insert the removable battery to the bay and slide it in until the switches lock into place.